Welcome to Profitable Forex Trading. I'm glad to come your way again. Today we like to show you another strategy. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe. Chat me up on my Telegram group. This indicator is actually free. Let's move on to today's strategy. Now I would like to add symbol changer to my chart so that we'll be able to navigate between pairs, from one pairs to another. So make sure you add your own pairs that you want to watch. And I have added my own because I have it already. Then change this to mana. This change it to false. Then this changes to true on the right upper chart corner. Say okay, it's okay. Then just click OK once you are done. Click OK. Yes, we have it, and you can actually hide these pairs in case you don't want it to show. If you want to analyze market and it's blocking, covering part of your chart, you can just hide it and turn it on again. So the other indicator I'm going to add today again, I would like to add my normalized MACD, and this is the setting. I just adjusted it, this to 5. This slow length remain at 26. Then I reduce this to 45. You can play with it and see which one you actually like, but I'm okay with that value. Then let me change this to blue also, and just then I want to add levels. I would like to add 0 levels, color yellow, and I'm okay. And here is it on my chart right now. So I will add the last indicator, but not the list that I want to use for this particular strategy today, and it's called macro crossover. Every other thing is okay, there's no need to change anything, but if you want to play with the period, you can actually do that. Just click OK, and here is it. And this particular strategy actually work well with the settings, actually work well on 30 minutes and above. If you change it to lower time frame, you might not get the desired result you actually want, but with this on this time frame, you can actually make good profit. Now let me clear off the grid on my screen. Just press Ctrl G on your keyboard. Then I want to demarcate it, and then this is for each day. Now this is Euro USD on 30 minutes, as you can see. And if you watch this closely without anybody telling you how to use this, you will understand it, because it is actually simple. Once this turn to red and this normalized MACD is red, you trade, you actually enter your trade. This is for sell at this point. You have sell at this point. This actually changed to red, and this is red already. And this normalized MACD turned to blue at this point, and here is red. There's no need for us to place any trade, because both must be in agreement. And at this point also, we have this turning to blue, and this is actually blue. So if you place your trade here for a buy, you are going to lose this one, just few pips. Then how do you now actually trade this particular strategy? Number one, you must make sure that these two indicators are actually in agreement. And once you place your trade, make sure your stop loss, for instance, your stop loss at this point is going to be the previous high before this signal was generated. The previous high, few pips above it. Here for a buy, few pips below here, below this point. and at this point for a sell, and at this point this actually turn red, this is red, then your stop loss is going to be few pips above this level. It's going to be above this level. So if you check back, it's actually okay. And let's check another pairs and see how this actually work on 30 minutes. And here is euro Australia dollar, and then we have this for buy at this particular point here for a buy, and the normalized MACD is blue already, so you can place your trade here, and stop loss is few pips. Either you use this or this, then you ride the trend. And at this point we have sell also, and this was actually red, so you place your trade and stop loss few pips above here, and you ride it. This is a serious move, a downward move. And this is how to use this particular strategy. You can use it on any pairs you want, but this setting work well on 30 minutes. If you change it to 15 minutes, you might not actually like what to see. Like here, it doesn't repaint for a sell, and this was actually a buy, so we are not going to take this. So if you want to scalp with it, you can actually do that also, but make sure you know what you are doing before you do that. Make sure you check the history. If it is okay by you, then you can scalp with it. Let's check on gold also, and look at the lower time frame. It didn't give us the desired results, but if you move all to higher time frame, you are going to get good result trading this particular strategy. So just make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and chat me now on my Telegram group. This indicator, every indicator here is actually free. Till I come your way again, do have a peaceful week. Bye.